This is a Nolan 7x22 14K tilt trailer. Adjustable coupler, 12K drop leg jack, toolbox, stake pocket rub rail, DOT tape, LED lights, tread plate fenders, two 7,000-pound electric brake axles, 235 80R16 tires with 8-lug wheels. Again, this is a 7x22 that is a 14-foot tilt and a 8-foot stationary deck.